Good morning everyone, welcome back. Yet another lovely Saturday in sunny Dorset. We're off out for another bimble. Right, so I've got to go meet Steve for about 9:15 up in Dorch. We're then off up to Doggin Central up just outside of the other side of Yeovil. There is a picnic area in just off one of the roundabouts there on the 303, and Howie reliably informs me that is Doggin Central. So if you're at a loose end one evening, get on up there and join in the fun. Oh look, he's right on my ass. First day today as well, first ride since those bar risers have been on. It definitely sits you up more. I am completely bolt upright. So what they do, I think those ones bring it up about 30 mil and back towards you about the same. May even be 40 mil up. I think it's 30. But yeah, at the moment doesn't feel too bad, but obviously on a longer ride we'll be able to see if there's any difference. So today we are off to Haynes Motor Museum up in Sparkford. I can remember when Haynes was just a tiny little rundown old sort of factory unit that didn't really had a few in there, but nothing like the collection they've got now. I mean, this place is huge. So you're going to see, I will do a video. I believe you're allowed to, I know you're allowed to take photos in there. Hopefully they'll allow us with a video as well. So I will do a video, I'll do a separate video to that. I'll do this one that shows us obviously going up to meet Steve, going up to meet Howie, and then the ride to get to Haynes. But Haynes itself I'll do in a separate one, I think. Yeah, I think I might get on with these handlebar risers. Thank you very much, Ron Schukter on a bike. If you're not familiar with his channel, I'll put a link down in the description. Go and take a look. I think you'll enjoy his offerings. Runs up in Scotland around the border areas, and he's managed to stick one of my stickers on the Welcome to Scotland sign for me as well. So thank you very much, Ron, and again thank you for those. Did we get a nod? Yes, we did. Off a Triumph. God bless you, Governor. See, the nod is alive and well. We've just got to try and educate these GS riders that seem to, and it's not all of them. I say I myself ride a GS, as you can see. I'm like the Churchill dog, I nod so much. Oh yes. And as you might notice as well, I have the CPL filter on the 5. I did try blurring the speedo with it. It doesn't work with the BMW TFT. So as I said on that little short video I did about it, if you were thinking of getting a CPL filter and you've got a BMW and you were getting that filter solely for the ability to blacken that screen out, it doesn't work, I'm afraid. Morning.
Recording started.
What's that? Oh, you started recording, have you?
I'm trying to sync everything up.
Yeah, but did you just start your recording on the Cardo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it said in my ear recording started.
Oh. Oh, of course, you're going to hear everything, aren't you?
I presume so.
Let the faffage begin. Yeah, I've done it already. I didn't even lock my case up.
Oh, bloody hell, I didn't put my back camera on again.
Do you want me to get it while I'm here? Right, you're on and you are recording.
Okay.
So not only do I have two cameras today to bloody sync up, I've also got to try and sync this audio up.
Cheers, Jets.
Plumbed it in Google Maps.
Did you hear him when I pulled up?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, he was slating
Turn
my
left
bike.
onto Bridport Road, B3150.
Oh, do you know what? I can hear your sat nav as well.
Oh, it's just going to be bloody annoying, isn't it? You're going to hear it when I fart as well, by the sounds of it.
In 50 yards, at Topo Town roundabout, take
God,
the
didn't
first
that do
exit
it
onto
already?
the Grove, B3147.
What, talking?
No, that bloody sat nav chuntering away.
No, I'm used to it.
But surely now you're recording, that's going to be all over your video footage.
Oh, God, my phone's just about to fall off. Oh, for crying out loud.
Yeah, your camera would be recording all that, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's the downside.
Oh yeah, I'd turn that bastard off.
Deauville.
Where everyone has 6 fingers and toes on each appendage.
I thought that was sixpenny Hadley. And the Isle of Wight. No, the Isle of Wight, to be fair, has only got web feet and fingers. So.
Left, Eric.
They're nice looking flats.
Yeah, they are. These are. You should have had a look at the houses on the left as we come past them. They're a few bobs worth.
Oh, it used to be sort of a little bit cheaper up this way, doesn't it? Sounds like cheaper than where I am. Prices have gone through the roof again. I remember my indicator.
Yes, I haven't had to remind you once.
No, well, I've got my different gloves on. These ones are a little bit smaller. They got fatter fingers but shorter.
Indicator, Steve.
Where am I going?
Straight on.
I had to stretch my legs.
Straight on, then when you come up to that roundabout, stay in the left-hand lane and it feeds round. You don't have to stop, it's a feeder.
Oh yeah, it's towards Ilminster, doesn't it?
So, we're heading out towards the 303 in Doggin Central.
Everywhere's Doggin Central for you.
No, Howie said this bloody picnic area was where all the doggers go. I don't know if Howie's a fully paid up member there.
It must be, because I've been there a couple of times and haven't seen anything.
You've had a no-show, have you? If go and do that, we're going straight over this roundabout.
I can go and
So,
flames, can I?
I don't know, I'd stay in this one. Because the majority of the left-hand ones go right there.
To the sun.
If worse comes to the worst and we're going to get squashed, we'll just have to go round and roundabout and back again. Doggin Central.
Welcome to Cardo Watch.
We can stop here, can't we?
Okey-doke.
If I
Right, let the faffage begin again.
yeah, lots of.
Turn everything off. Try and remember to turn it all back on again.
And here we see the Howie 702. An harmless creature, really. he's a waver. That's his dogging signal.
Yeah, well, it should make life easier. And now I've got this adventure helmet. I've got enough room for 6 mics in there.
Oh, yeah. They look pretty roomy though. I mean,
Yeah.
I was looking at the carbon one, but I don't know if I will now.
I didn't put my phone on
In
the bloody
200
cradle of
yards,
tough
at Cartgate roundabout, take the second exit onto A3088.
You what?
Yeah, we're going to have that all the bloody way, aren't we?
Oh, it might be for fun. Do you want me to lead you to the museum?
I said go on then. If we go down the 303 though and change who's in front,
Yeah, you can keep flicking past me if you want. You already
and then we.
Yeah, just doing my tank bag up.
Okay.
And then we can change who's on
Oh
camera.
shit, that stinks.
Oh,
Going that
beautiful.
piss. Don't go driving through that piss because that stinks.
He's obviously clearing out the doggin depository tank.
He's clearing out.
Oh, that's way too much.
This is sometimes an absolute fucking shit to get out of this roundabout.
Yeah, no. Luckily, you've got an inline 4 that likes to sing at 10,000 revs. Just like that.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Ready, Steve?
Yeah.
Let's go. He's going to go in the outside lane, that Skoda.
Not unless I get there first.
Exit the roundabout onto A3088.
I'm out.
You in?
Yeah, we're with you. We're with you.
In half a mile, take the exit towards Ash, Tintinhull.
What is she going on about, woman?
Steve, that would do my head in.
When she talks again, I'll turn it down. Bob.
Hooligan bikers.
This is nice because you can glide round here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, what?
shoot, sir. Oh, no, just
I haven't got a clue where we're bloody going. I'm just following you.
Yeah, crack on. we're staying on the 303 till we come off the spark.
Yeah, coming off. Yeah. I'm going to come down this bit. This is a whole new junction for me to get to. So if I fuck up,
Yeah.
you'll forgive me, alright? Because there's something I've not done yet. Ooh, wee.
Oh, you missed an opportunity there, H. That was gagging for a rev bomb from that inline 4.
Oh, Red Bomb. Oh, where have I heard that name before?
Long Hazel campsite. Oh, and it's got a pub just down the road.
Steve gets a boner for campsites.
It's crazy what?
He gets a boner for campsites.
Does he?
It's canvas porn.
Here's your Red Bomb opportunity. I was saving it up for this one.
Oh, yeah.
You ready? Here we go.
Yep. Child. Tiny, wasn't it? When the old Haynes Motor Museum on the old main road used to be tiny, didn't it?
Oh, this is the first time I've ever been, to be fair.
Oh, this is nice here. Yeah, you'll love it.
Yeah,
There's half a car. They've cut a car in half, a Honda Civic.
well, it could be
Look,
that.
we've got a motorcycle spot here now.
Oh,
It's
look at
beautiful.
that. VIP parking.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes.
They knew we were coming.
Oh,
Turn that
lovely. Oh.
Right, now the traffic begins again.